Okay, this first example, we got the guitar connected directly into the Zoom recorder, and I can monitor it out this way, and let's listen to what that sounds like right now. Okay, so that was the first test. Now let's connect the DI box. We're going to connect the guitar to the DI box. We're going to connect it via the input here. Then we're going to run XLR cable directly into the Zoom recorder. Okay, so now we have the DI box. We haven't changed any of the levels, and we're going to listen to what that sounds like. Let's listen to the guitar going from the DI box into the Zoom recorder. All right, let's listen to that. Okay, so there it is, the two comparison. What I did notice right off the bat is that the sound was a bit louder and clearer, and you can hear the strings more distinctly, a lot clearer. So I hope you get use out of that. So when you're recording, that's what you're gonna hear if you plug in the Behringer Ultra Di Box. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.